least he's got that boat. Did the rod piece, I guess, hit the...
Yeah, his mast is caught. It's hooked. So he's going to try and tow himself using his own thing. The problem is that the tide's coming up. That's
Yeah, it'll be interesting how he gets that out.
I think you'll see the city at the airport. He was having a great day up until that moment.
Yeah. There's only him on board?
Somebody else left, I think, already.